If a toilet is not fully flushing and you know the main drain and the toilet's trap are not clogged, then the possible cause could be a clogged siphon jet. This Toto Drake toilet started its service about 5 years ago and worked fine until it did not fully flush. Sometimes it needed a second flush. A siphon jet is a second smaller hole located in the bowl. This toilet's siphon jet is located back here. Not all toilets have a siphon jet. Most low flush toilets have one. First, let's do some checks and testing. Check if there's enough water in the tank. The water level should be about an inch below the overflow tube. There are many styles of toilets and no standard on how low the water level should drop on a flush. It's probably safe to say that at least half of the water should empty from the tank. If the toilet has a flapper, make sure the chain doesn't get caught and the flapper action looks good. If the tank water level and the flush action are not the problem, it's time to check out the siphon jet. This is kind of yucky, so you'll want to suit your hand up with a latex glove. I can feel that the hole is clogged with mineral deposits. I am able to break them free, but the walls on the inside of the hole feel rough. I'll scrape the walls of the inside of the hole with this old plastic toothbrush handle. The plastic won't mar the surface of the toilet. Here's the debris that broke free. If you need to do a better cleaning job, bail out the water from the bowl, add some vinegar and soak overnight, then scrape. The deposits can be difficult to remove. Some people use muriatic acid. That may not be great for the toilet's finish or a septic system. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.